Hello dear student, this is question number 2 of exercise 13.1 class 8th. The question is, a mixture of a paint is prepared by mixing one part of red pigment with 8 parts of base. एक अपने को मिक्सचर फाइंड करना है या तैयार करना है. ओके, फाइंड द पार्ट्स ऑफ बेस दैट नीड टू बी एडेड. रेड पिगमेंट और बेस दोनों का मिक्सचर. सो वी हैव एडेड हेयर पार्ट ऑफ रेड पिगमेंट, वन पार्ट, सो वी नीड base as 8 parts. So we have to find these quantities. Let this is A, B, C and D. Now if you check this mixture and these two quantities, red pigment and base, both are in direct proportion. How we get to know that both are in direct proportion? Because अगर आप red pigment का एक part ऐड कर रहे हो तो base चाहिए 8, suppose 2 ऐड करना then 16 होगा. One quantity is increasing, second one is also increasing, so it is direct proportion. So just write down here, both quantities are in direct proportion. So we know the formula of direct proportion, 1/8 ratio. We know that formula na, x1 upon y1, this is equals to x2 upon y2. Means if we take the ratio 1/8, 1/8 is equals to 4 upon a, 4 upon a. So just cross multiply a into 1 a and 8 into 4 32. So the value of a is equals to 32. Here you can write by cross multiplication. Okay, why we applied this formula? Because both the quantities are in direct proportion. Direct proportion में है, so we will use this formula x1 upon y1. So if you want, you can write here, this is your x quantities and this is your y quantity. So this is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. You can write like this, and this is your y, second quantity. Okay, so 1/8 is equals to second part 4 upon y2. y2 means this is a. Similarly, you can write 1/8 is equals to this one, 7 upon b. Is it okay? This ratio 1/8 is equals to 7 upon b. Again cross multiply, 1 into b, b is equals to 7 into 8, 56. This is the value of b. Now the third part is, third point, you can take any ratio. Okay, any two ratios. I am taking for easy calculation 1/8. 1/8 is equals to third one 12 upon c. Again cross multiply, so c is equals to 12 into 8 means 96. Clear? Now next one, fourth part, 1/8. This ratio is equals to 1/8 is equals to 20 upon d. So d is equals to 20 into 8. The answer is 160. The answer is 160. Okay, so here these values are of parts of base. A is equals to 32, b is equals to 56, c is equals to 96 and d is equals to 160. This is your answer. You can also mention here the values in this table. So a is equals to, here you can write answer 8, a is equals to 32, b is equals to 56, c is equals to 96 and d is equals to 160. Okay, now move to the question number 3. Or you can do one thing also, after finding these values na, again make this table with value. You can write the value of A, B, C and D, or you can write like this, it is your choice. Now move to the question number